In this video, we're going to demonstrate and talk about how to safely stand up from the floor in the event of a fall. It can be helpful to have a plan in place in order to stand up so that you reduce injury and maximize safety. Today we'll be talking about 3 steps, and those steps are prepare, rise, and sit. To prepare to stand up from falling, make sure that you don't stand up too quickly because you could make an injury worse. If you're hurt, make sure to call for help using a medical alert service or phone. Look around for a sturdy piece of furniture or the bottom of a staircase. This will make it easier to get up. Roll onto your side by turning your head in the direction that you want to go. Use your arms, shoulders, hips, and legs to accomplish this. Push your upper body up. Lift your head and pause for a moment to steady yourself. Get up on your hands and knees and crawl to a sturdy chair. Then place your hands on the surface of the chair or stairs and slide one foot forward until it's flat on the floor. Keep the other leg bent with your knee on the floor. Now that you're kneeling, rise and turn your body to sit on the chair or the stairs. It's a good idea to sit for a few minutes before doing anything else to make sure that you're ready to move. If you've recently fallen or you have a history of falling, make sure you talk to a healthcare provider about getting a fall risk evaluation. This can help you prevent falling in the future.